Welcome to Talkpoint. The US job market is sending mixed signals with reports showing steady job growth overall, but also a slight rise in unemployment in uncertain sectors. So, what's really happening with the American workforce? Let's break it down. Bureau of Labor Statistics charts, newsrooms, graphics, people in interviews. According to the latest government data, the US economy added thousands of jobs last month, showing resilience despite concerns about inflation and high interest rates. Employment growth was particularly strong in healthcare, construction, and hospitality. At the same time, however, unemployment rates kicked up slightly from 3.9% to around 4.1%, signaling that some industries are shedding jobs even as others continue to expand. Communities say this reflects a labor market in transition where strengths and weakness coexist. Hospitals, construction sites, restaurants take workers in office. Healthcare continues to lead job creation driven by Healthcare continues to lead job creation driven by demand for nurses, doctors, and support staffs. Construction jobs are also increasing thanks to federal infrastructure spending and private sector investment in housing. Leisure and hospitality remain strong as Americans spend more on travel, dining, and entertainment. These sectors are helping offset causes in losses in other industries, providing providing steady employment opportunities nationwide. Take campuses, factory floors, retail stores closing, shipping containers at ports. On the other hand, certain industries are facing layoffs and hiring freeze. Technology companies have announced workforce reduction aimed slowing revenue growth. Manufacturing has also cooled as global demand and supply chain pressures affect output. Retail is another sector under pressure, with several chains closing stores as consumer spending shifts online. These developments contribute to the uptick in unemployment, especially in regions dependent on tech and industrial jobs. Economist interviews, Federal Reserve building, financial graphs. Economists described this as a two-speed job market, while essential service and infrastructure are thriving industries tied to consumer spending and global markets are facing challenges. The Federal Reserve is watching these trends closely. Holding interest rates steady may help stabilize growing cost by uncertainty remains about how long growth can outpace job losses in struggling sectors, families budgeting, small businesses, skyline at sunset, Talkpoint logo. In summary, the US job market is showing both resilience and strength, steady growth in healthcare, construction, and hospitality, but rising unemployment in technology, retail, and manufacturing. For workers, this means opportunities in some areas and uncertainty in others. Stay tuned to Talkpoint for clear, balanced coverage of the economy and what it means for your future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed.